Hey, it's Culper Woodhull, and I've got the American Lock 700 series. I have not picked this on camera yet. Once before, rehearsing early. I kind of struggled with it for a little bit. The bidding goes up and down, so that could be a bit of a challenge. But let's get this open. Using a 50 thousandths, top of the keyway. And got a few picks in front of me. Let's try this high hook here. I don't know if we showed you if it worked. We showed you that it worked. Alright, 5 pins in this. Alright, I'm going to use a Tron by Sparrows. Oh, good false set there. Which pin is that? I believe it's pin 1. Give a nice rotation. Counter rotation. Sorry. Ooh. And we're open. There it is. That was really quick. And I may have been into gutting stuff out. It's been a while since one of these videos. I'm really trying to get back into the community, and I've just had a lot on my plate. Working on a bigger project, all that good stuff. Let's see here. Please fit. There we go. Okay. Let's see. We do have a disc back there, I think it's anti-shim, or I don't know. Let's see here. I haven't done this for so long. I'm just kind of trying to figure out what I need to do next. And a C-clip. It's clearly open. Let's just go close it back up. Come on. Here we are. Okay. Have a key and this one, but that looks very... I'm going to use a shim. Thank you, Bears Back. The shims. I do plan on repaying you. I've got your envelope that you sent me the shims in. Have not forgotten about that. It was actually the first act of kindness that I was given in this community, or at least it was just the first, gift sent out to me, and it's very kind. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's get this done. I'm used to working with those bigger ones. Okay, so this is just like the 1100. There's the ability to put in another pen for 6. Huh. It's interesting. The key pins are serrated. I've never seen that. Give you up close in a second. Let's get these drivers out. There's 2 spools so far, but this thing's all spooled up. Probably one serrated. Maybe all spools, I don't know. Spool. One more. Yep, all spools. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like pins 1, 2, 3, and 4 have serrations. Maybe it's just been a long time since I've picked an American. I don't remember them having serrations on the pins for some reason. Well, anyway, here it is. This is the American 700 for Stock Like Sunday. And everybody take care.